Ever heard the phrase, as playful as a dolphin? Today we're going to find out why these marine creatures are so synonymous with joy and intelligence. Dolphins. They're graceful, they're entertaining, and they're incredibly smart. But what is it that truly sets them apart in the vast expanse of our oceans? Well, let's dive in and explore. These aquatic acrobats are part of the family of whales, a group that includes the majestic orcas and the bulky pilot whales. But dolphins, they have a charm of their own. With their sleek bodies, curved dorsal fins, and that signature smile, dolphins have a way of capturing hearts like no other. But it's not just their appearance that's fascinating. Dolphins are found in oceans all over the world, from the chilly Arctic and Antarctic waters to the balmy seas of the tropics. They even inhabit some of the world's major rivers. From the vast open seas to the winding river channels, dolphins have made a home for themselves in a variety of marine habitats. Now let's talk about their smarts. Dolphins are known for their exceptional intelligence. They're problem solvers, social butterflies of the sea, and they have a language all of their own. They communicate using a series of clicks, whistles, and body movements. Each dolphin has a unique whistle, much like a human fingerprint, that it uses to identify itself. Can you imagine having your own personal tune? And it's not just about communication. These brainy creatures use their intelligence for hunting too. They work together in pods, coordinating their movements and corralling fish into tight groups. They even use tools such as sponges to protect their noses while foraging on the seafloor. So you see, dolphins are not just about play. They embody a blend of joy, intelligence, and adaptability. They teach us about cooperation, communication, and the sheer joy of living. So the next time you see a dolphin leap out of the water, remember there's a lot more going on beneath that playful exterior. So, dolphins are not just playful, they are also one of the smartest creatures living in our oceans. Moving past the surface, let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of dolphins. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be part of a dolphin pod? Dolphins are incredibly social creatures, living and moving in groups called pods that can range from a handful to hundreds of individuals. Within these pods, dolphins form complex social structures, much like our own human societies. Here's a fun fact. When it comes to hunting, dolphins are the strategists of the sea. They work as a team to herd schools of fish, creating what's referred to as a bait ball. Surrounding the fish from all sides, they take turns swooping in to feast. Each dolphin plays a role in this underwater ballet, showcasing the power of collective intelligence. Their cooperative nature extends beyond hunting too. From play to protection, dolphins rely on each other for survival. Now let's delve into something truly mind-boggling. Did you know that dolphins display signs of culture, a trait once thought to be unique to humans? Dolphins in different regions exhibit unique behaviors, from the way they hunt to how they play. And these behaviors, fascinatingly enough, are passed down through generations. This cultural transmission is a testament to their intelligence and social complexity. But the surprises don't stop there. Dolphins possess a level of self-awareness that sets them apart from many other species. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, a trait only a handful of animals, including humans, can boast of. This mirror test is often considered a measure of self-awareness and, by extension, a sign of high cognitive abilities. So, what does all this mean? Well, it means that dolphins are not just social creatures, they are beings with complex social structures, advanced hunting strategies, cultural behaviors, and high cognitive abilities. They are more like us than you might have thought. Clearly, dolphins are not just social creatures, but they also have a complex and rich social life, much like humans. Ever wondered what dolphins talk about? Let's delve into the dolphin dialogues. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, dolphins talk? Well, in their own special way, they do. Dolphins have a highly complex communication system, one that has fascinated scientists for decades. Dolphins communicate using a variety of signals. They use body movements, such as leaping out of the water, slapping their tails on the water surface, and even butting heads. But that's not all. They also employ an array of vocalizations, including clicks, whistles, and body vibrations. This auditory language of theirs is as rich and varied as any human language. One of the most intriguing aspects of dolphin communication is their use of signature whistles. Each dolphin has a unique whistle that it uses to identify itself, almost like a name. These signature whistles are developed during the early stages of their life and remain with them throughout their lives. So, if you were to somehow find yourself in the company of dolphins, listening in on their chatter, you'd realize that each whistle is unique, just like our human names. And it doesn't stop there. Dolphins also have a fascinating way of perceiving their environment. They use echolocation, a technique where they emit sounds that bounce off objects in their surroundings, providing them with a sonic map of the world around them. This is particularly useful for navigation and hunting. Imagine being able to see with sound. That's the world as dolphins perceive it. But perhaps the most remarkable thing about dolphin communication is that it's a window into their social lives. These aren't solitary animals. They live in groups known as pods, and their communication signals are an essential part of their social interactions. They communicate to coordinate hunting, to warn each other of danger, to maintain social bonds, and even to play. It's fascinating to think that the ocean depths are filled with these complex conversations, isn't it? Our journey through the dolphins' world wouldn't be complete without addressing a crucial issue: their conservation. As we delve deeper, we find that these intelligent and playful creatures face several threats. Pollution, for one, has a devastating impact on their habitats and health. Climate change, too, alters their feeding patterns and breeding grounds, creating an uncertain future for them. The fishing industry, with its nets and gear, often ensnares dolphins, leading to injuries or even death. It's clear that conservation efforts are critical. Organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to safeguard these aquatic gems, protecting their habitats and advocating for policies that reduce threats. And you might be wondering, how can you help? Well, supporting these organizations, reducing your own carbon footprint, and spreading awareness about these issues can make a world of difference. Remember, every small effort counts when it comes to preserving the playful, intelligent world of dolphins.